Hi everyone, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bibi. On today's tutorial, we're going to be cutting this exact bubu gown. I'll be working with these two material, which is my asooke and my kampala. First of all, I start by marking out my actual gown length, which is 58 plus 1 inch for the folding of the down part. I proceeded in folding my fabric into two, which is going to be in 4 if I open it. I hope you understand that. Which I later mark out my back measurement, which is 21. That is where my sleeve is going to reach. I proceeded in coming down by 12 inches for my round sleeve that we can also see from my armhole side. I actually came down by 12 because, as you all know, I'm still going to remove 1 inch for my slope area. After that, I proceeded in coming down by 31 inches because that is where the cloud effect is going to end. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so by pressing the subscribe button. And if you've subscribed before, I really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. I'm going to join the lines together to meet that 31 inches. If you want your own cloud effect to be to not stop at this point, you can come down by 34 or 33, but I think 31 inches is okay for my, for my own satisfaction. After that, the wideness of this damper that I'm marking, it is 15 inches. That is the remaining part that will go down, and I'm going to be joining that place like so. You might leave your cloud effect straight, and also you can just curve it like the way I did in the video. It's all depend on your choice. That's the slope I said I'm going to remove, and which I have done. It makes the fabric to sit perfectly on your shoulder. My neckline, I used I used 4 inches for the width. Then for my depth, I used 2.5. That is for the back. What is it called, for the back part. Then from my front one, I'm going to remove one out of the out of the fabric and focus on the front part, which is where the asooke is going to be. This tutorial is actually for the cutting. I'll be linking another video on how you can actually join your bubu gown perfectly. I came down by 6 inches for this neck depth because I don't want it to. Is it neck depth or neck width? I beg, you should understand what I mean. I'll be working with one strand of asooke, which here I'm checking for the wrong side and for the right side. Don't mind the hand you are seeing, that's my husband. He loves this so much. So I cut that into two, and then I proceed in joining. I'm actually showing in this video that if you want to use one out of that, it's not going to be enough for the neck, so I just have to join the two together. This is after I have joined the two together, and then we are going to just fold it into two and place it under the fabric. In order to shape out the neck. And that is it. For this particular bubble gown, if you want to, if you want to place your slit beside, you can actually do that. For the front slit, this is what I did. Before cutting out your neckline, both for the front and for the back, you are going to cut this front part into two. After that, you are going to fold it by half an inch or more than half an inch, and then you are not going to sew it down to the extreme end. You are going to be leaving about 20 inches for the slit, for the opening of the front, or more. Then you can now cut out your neckline for both the back and for the front, because if you actually cut out your neckline before doing the slit stuff, it's going to give you a little problem because it's not going to be equal. So this is the neck. I've already trimmed off that part from my asooke. Moving forward, I'm going to be shaping the asooke as well. After the neckline, I'm still going to shape the front part, and this is me trying to get the shape perfectly. I use 8 inches for the wideness. And that is all. So take it to your sewing machine, then place it on the wrong side of your fabric because you want it to be in the front. Place it on the wrong side of your fabric, then bring it back. After you might have joined it to the neck, bring it back to the front. Then use your what is it called, your office pin, to secure it in case it is moving around. Then trace out the line, trace out the shape of this thing, and then fold it in. And that is what I did, and join the back to it, join the shoulder with each other, and your gown is ready. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, don't forget to do so. Thank you for all the people that have subscribed so far. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'm bringing my next video again. Catch you later. Bye. Thank you so much.